Just switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat in the food chain.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Here's what the packaging looks like. Headbands. This headband is water wave, 14 inches. The price of the wig is $59.99. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. I like how this wig has adjustable straps. You get minimum shedding. You don't have a smell. I'm going to use some edge control, second touchdown, black castor oil.